if I can get out of the light. Let's see if it'll go off by itself. What's the other button do? That's what it's been doing every night when the wind shakes the box.